Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim for Forex trading. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the Trade tab. Here, you will find a dedicated section for Forex, allowing you to view various currency pairs. You can easily access major pairs like Euro versus USD or explore minor and exotic options. The platform provides comprehensive charting tools to help you analyze market trends effectively before placing any trades. To place a Forex trade, once you are in the Forex section of the Trade tab, simply select the currency pair you wish to trade. For example, click on Euro versus USD. Next, you will need to specify your order type, such as a market order or a limit order, and enter the quantity of currency you want to buy or sell. Always review your order details carefully before confirming to ensure accuracy and alignment with your trading strategy. Once your Forex trade is active, you can monitor its performance in real time through the Monitor tab. It's crucial to manage your risk effectively by setting stop-loss orders, which automatically close your position if the price moves against you by a certain amount. Similarly, take-profit orders will close your trade once a desired profit level is reached. You can adjust or close any open position directly from this tab as market conditions change. Thinkorswim offers many advanced tools to enhance your Forex trading. Utilize the extensive library of technical indicators and drawing tools on the charts for deeper market analysis. I highly recommend using the paper money simulator to practice your strategies without risking real capital. This allows you to gain confidence and refine your approach. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.